How to fix you cannot use more than one application that uses camera at the same time in your Android. So if you want to fix you cannot use more than one application that uses camera at the same time in your Android, then what you need to do is just open up your settings. Under settings, you can scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with all apps and search for camera. Once you search for camera, now you need to simply go with storage and cache. Under storage and cache, you need to go with clear cache and also clear storage and delete. Once you've deleted the storage and your cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go with permissions, and under permissions, make sure that you allow the camera and microphone permission. Once you allow the permission, just go back and then tap on force stop and tap on OK. And after that, remove this and go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with search, which is on the upper side. Search for reset. Tap on reset all settings. Again, tap on it and tap on reset all settings, which is on the bottom. And after that, restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix you cannot use more than one application that uses camera at the same time in your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.